Anshu, from your perspective, what is the single biggest challenge and opportunity for food ecosystem in this region right now?
I think the biggest challenge in this region is basically its dependence upon the imports, because if you look at the countries in the region, 80 to 90% of the food is imported, and given the geographical and geopolitical disruptions and the supply chain tensions because of the macroeconomic trends as well as the geopolitical shifts, it is very important that this region gets into self-reliance. And having said that, in terms of the opportunity, I think the governments here, especially in UAE and Saudi Arabia and other GCC countries, they are investing a lot in terms of enabling the policy framework as well as building the ecosystem for startups and entrepreneurships, and there is a huge opportunity. And also the policies are driving the lot of use of the technology, which can help in terms of building the resilient and sustainable food ecosystem in the future.
If you could set one key priority for the region's food industry to achieve by 2030, what would it be?
I think again it would be the same, given the national agendas, given the agenda of Saudi Arabia 2030, given the national agenda of entrepreneurship of UAE. I think it would be important to, a huge opportunity would be in terms to have the self-reliance and have local production in order to avoid any dependency on the produce from the outside.